What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. We're working on checking in. Right here is a 2018 Dodge Durango. 2018. I'll show you guys how to take off this trim panel, how to get this glass out of there, how to get off this handle, how to get off that mirror. That's it. Go ahead, guys. Grab yourself a flathead screwdriver. Get a square piece down inside there. Go ahead and pry that square piece up. Pry it up. There's a screw down there. Number 7. There's a screw down there. You're gonna hold this handle open. Take this piece out. Take this piece out. Now, there's a Phillip in there. There's a Phillip and a number 10 socket in there. Down there is a number 7. See, that's one screw. Number 7 socket, number 7, one screw. $10mm, guys. That's it. Take it out. 10mm. That's what it looks like. 10mm. There's a Phillip there. A Phillip. Phillip, take it out. Alright, once that Phillip is taken out of there, go ahead, take that piece out. All you gotta do is pry it up with the flathead, just pry it out of there. Take it out, it comes right out. Now, get your flathead screwdriver, guys, and you're gonna jam it right between the crease of the trim panel and the door. And you're gonna pull it away, the trim panel away from the door itself. Just like that, and you're gonna grab it with your hand, snap it off. That's it, it comes off. Now you're gonna hold it now and go up with it. Go ahead and take that wire loose. Comes right out. I see you do that. Comes right out. Now, I'm going to take off the mirror. Now we're going to take off the mirror. We're going to take off this piece right here. We're going to take the plug loose first. Take it out. Take that piece off. Comes off. I see you do that. Now, this is the wire for it right here. Go ahead and unplug the wires. The white one and the black one. Those screws right there, 3 of them, those are number 8. You're going to take those number 8 from there. That's what the 8 looks like, guys. Number 8, what it looks like, number 8 socket. One, that's 2. Before you take the last one off, or shake it out there and take it off. Goes right out. That is guys, that's how you take off this mirror. That's how you do it, guys. Now, to show you guys how, now we're gonna do the handle. We're gonna take the handle off. But in order to get off the handle, guys, you gotta get the glass out first. So therefore, I'm gonna show you how to get the glass out, then we're gonna take out the handle. Okay guys, first thing I want you guys to do, we're getting ready to take out this glass. We're gonna take the piece off. That's the first thing. Take it out. Next thing, go ahead and power up the vehicle. Plug this back in. Plug it in. Next thing to do, open that piece up. Take that speaker out of there. The speaker has 4 screws on it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. 4 screws. By the way, the screw that's holding that speaker, the T20. T20 star tip, 5 points. Okay? The flathead right between the groove, right out. Unplug it. Comes right out. Now go ahead and drop the glass down to these holes right here. Now, the reason why you take these 2 things out, now, I'm gonna show you guys what to do next to get the glass out of there. Come take a peek. I need for you guys to pay attention to this hole right here. See this hole right here? That one and that one. This is the window going up and down. See the window going up and down? Bam, right there. Right there. Bam. You guys see that little ball right there, guys? You guys see that little ball right there? You're gonna stop it right there on that ball. You see that ball? You're gonna stop it right there, right on that ball. You can't miss it. It's a little ball right there. You're gonna stop it. You're gonna stop it right there on the ball. Now, we're gonna use something, and we're gonna push that ball in, and we're gonna pull up on this at the same time. It's best to have 2 persons do it. You could do it yourself, but it's best to have two persons do it. You're gonna have one person pull up on the glass, and you push that in, because once you guys push that ball in, the glass come loose and it comes up. Same thing. So if you guys don't have somebody to help you, no problem. You can do it yourself. I'm gonna show you how to do it, so stay tuned. just showed you guys. Go ahead and pull up on the glass and keep tension on the glass. Keep the tension up. And you're gonna push that ball in while you pulling the glass up at the same time. Now that one is loose. The one is loose, it's up. Now you're gonna hold it. Put your hands down here. And keep the tension on it. Push that one loose. Tilt it. Take it out. All right. That's how you take out the glass. All right. I'll show you guys now how to take the handle out. Okay. And believe it or not, the handle, that's the hardest part. Okay guys, this is the first thing that I want you guys to do because it's very important. This is the first thing. You gotta see those two cables down there. Use a clip puller or use something long. You're gonna put it right through the hole right here. Come over here. That didn't work. All right, we're gonna go from the top. We're gonna go to the top right here. You see them two clips, guys? Take them clips from off that rod. And don't, guys, please do not break those clips. All you gotta do is put it right there on the tip and pry it off. Okay. You could either do it from the bottom or the top. Let's do it from the top because the bottom is a little bit hard. So let's take it from the top. Right here. See this piece right here? On the top it's more easier. So just back it off. It's hard for me to do it because I have the camera in my hand. Man. All right, there we go. It's off. See that? That's loose. That's one. The next one is back here, the white one. Take it off. And see, now it's loose. It's off. Take it off. Right out there. Now that step is done. That is the most important step. Now. Next thing we're gonna do is this. Okay, once you gotta get yourself a star tip, number 30. Number 30, okay? Star tip 5 points. Get my light out of there, hold this back. You guys see these green things? Turn them to the right, okay? Turn them to the right. To the right. The next one over here, this one's the white one. Turn them to the right. Okay, so that's that. Now, next thing I want you guys to do, I see these screws. 1, those are 10 millimeter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take the screws out of there, guys. Take them screws out of there. On the side over here, same thing. Take them 3 screws out of there as well. The same thing. P30, okay? We're gonna take them screws out of there. Some there, guys. flathead screwdriver and pry it open. Alright, there's 3 screws back here, guys. Go ahead and take them 3 screws from back here. You can't miss it. It's 3 screws right back here. This the reason why we had to move this piece, guys. The reason why, I'll show you. You guys see that 1 screw right there? Gotta get that screw from right there, and plus we gotta take that plug loose. Okay, the plug have to be loosened. Take this, you're gonna squeeze this down. Camera's in my hand, man. Squeeze it and pry it out. See that? Pry it out. Take that screw loose. Come through here. See them 2 screws? Take them 2 screws loose, and then the handle comes out. By the way, the screws back there, that's the T20 start tip, T20. Actually, it's 2 of them. That's what they look like. Can't miss it. It's 2 of them, the small black screws. Remember, star tip, T20, star tip, 5 point. Once you take those out, pry it off. See that? Look, it's loose, come right out. Go ahead and take this piece out of here. Go up with it and take it out. Damn thing got stuck. This one's nice. What the hell you got stuck in there? Come on, man. It's a crap. Stupid shit. All right. Now, if you guys want to take this thing off completely, the last thing left for you guys to do is just take this wire loose, okay? Just unplug it from here and take it loose. But right now, we're not going to take this out completely. We're just going to move it out the way. Now we're going to take the handle out. There's 1 screw right there, and there's 2 back here. So you're going to take this piece out. Take it out. There's 2 screws in there. The reason why we had to move this piece is to get to that screw right there. Yes. We had to do all that to get to the screw right there. Now, if you guys don't want to do all that work, just drill a hole. Drill a hole drill a hole there, and then you can take the screw out. So go ahead and drill a hole right there if you don't feel like doing all that work. That screw side here, guys, is number 8. That's what those screws look like. Now guys, remember, if you guys don't want to go to the trouble by taking this whole thing out, just through the hole right here to get to that one right there. This one only have access to get to the screw. If you want to get access to that one, drill a hole right there and put the tool through it and take it out. Now, all you guys got to do now is put this thing back the way you take it out and put 2 screws in it. So you do that. So guys, now we got the glass out, and the mirror off, and the hands out. Actually, now this is the hand. Let's grab the handle. Take it right out, they both come down. That's locked, the cylinder, the handle itself comes right out. Okay. Now, if you guys happen to close this door, there's a rod inside it. To hold the rod, the pliers or something, and push down on the rod, the door open, or you can just open the door from here. Okay? I say you do that. All right? I say take care of that. That said, guys, please, if this thing will help you, bang the subscribe, guys. Support the channel and hit that like. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. We're working when you're checking out.